You know about the standard Windows Start menu. Just click on Start. But did you know that there's an advanced geeky nerd menu for people like you? Right-click on the Start menu and you get quick access to some of the geekiest and nerdiest portions of Windows 10. Apps and features, power options, the event viewer, system, device manager, network connections, disk management, computer management, Windows PowerShell or the command window, and as well as the same in admin mode. You have access to the task manager, settings, file explorer, search, run. You can shut down or sign out, sleep or restart, or you can just pop back to your desktop.